Well, hello everybody. Like I promised, I'm going to show you my face. It wouldn't be the first time, but I am your infamous animator, drawer, sketcher. Today I'm going to show you my jewelry, which is very serious to me. I want to show you just something. I don't know. Look at this. This is on the front cover of a very famous magazine at the time for the industry only, Jewelers, National Jeweler. Get a load of that date. Oops, I think it's on this side. 1986. I don't know if, can you see it? 1986. In 1984, I opened up a factory called Design Cast. And in less than 2 years, we were all over the United States. Saks Fifth Avenue. I'm going to tell you all about it, but I'm not wasting time on this in this video. So in a long story short, I was pretty well known way back in the 80s. And now I'm going to split this video up. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm not good at, editing videos. So I'm going to switch this video to my workshop, my bench, and give you an idea of just how really easy it is to make money without all the stress that I had back then. Yes, I was famous, but I was stress, nothing but stress. Now, 36 years later, I'm doing it all stress-free. You can do this at your kitchen table. These are wire rings. I'll tell you all about it. It might be blurry, but this is just my first time showing you. And I do everything, like I said, you can do it at the kitchen table. The old factory, you needed like $20,000 in machinery and everything else. So this is a nice little piece here. You make this with silver sheet and stamps. So right now, I showed you who I am. Little by little, I'll let you know what I've done in this career of mine. And I hope to help in any way. If you're just starting out making jewelry, or if you're thinking about casting is a big problem. It's insanely expensive to get it done now. You might want to get your own machine, but really, you know what? You don't have to. Let me show you this, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. I sell these all day long. That's turquoise, and I developed this nice little method of wrapping them. It's sort of like crocheting a setting around the stone. And what I love is that the kids today, I'm 63, I think. Yeah, 63. I just turned 63. And at my booth, at the art shows that I do, the young people just love this. Boys, girls, and adults. These are all in sterling silver wire, various thicknesses, and I'll get into all that. So thank you for watching. I hate to ask you to subscribe, but I just found out the only way we can realize any kind of money from YouTube is if you have like 1,000 subscribers. So, and then they put ads into the videos. If you'd be so kind, subscribe. I would truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you. Hey everybody. Okay, like I promised, I'm going to try to cut that other video. Hopefully it'll all be okay where I'm talking. I mean, you can see me. So today I'm going to give you a nice little tutorial on how to make a silver ring. I showed you this. So this is what I do after being in all the major department stores a long time ago. Let me see if this will, in the 80s, 36 years ago. I've come down to this, and what I call it is kitchen table jewelry. No stress jewelry, not much equipment. You can get started with less than $100. This is a copper ring, and I sell a lot of copper rings. People think that it's great for arthritis, which I think that's true. It does turn your skin dark, but that could be why it's good for arthritis. This is a cute little baby too. $10, $15, I sell them all day long. So I pre-cut my silver strips. This comes in, not the silver, I can get it this big, but it costs a fortune. This is copper. So my silver, I get 3 inches by 6 inches, cut it up into my predetermined sizes for rings. And you can get that from Rio Grande, Albuquerque. That's in Albuquerque, New Mexico. They're good to artists. They don't require that you have a tax ID or anything, I think. I've been buying from them since 1982. That's a long time. And they're still going strong. So this has already been cut. Then you take these nice little pads that you can get from Rio. I buy everything from Rio. You get rid of all the sharp edges. This one's ready to go. You can also get these pads. These are great little polishing pads. They actually take off scratches, and then I follow up with what's called a sunshine cloth. And between the two of them, you can get one heck of a fine polish. So I like to polish before I start stamping, just to make sure everything's nice. I know I'm covering it, but that's okay. And then follow up with my yellow cloth. Those white ones, once they're black, throw them out. They're very inexpensive. These yellow ones are not inexpensive, but they really last a long time. Even if they're black, you can still shine with them. Okay, so I like to use leather pad, something to, soften the blow, as we say. And now I'm just going to pick up this whole thing because I don't want to change the camera angle. These are my stamps. I love this thing. This comes, the holder and most of the stamps come from Tandy leather. There's my good old millimeter gauge. I got my alphabet, I got Hebrew stamps. I have all kinds of design stamps, which I'm going to be doing today. Sometimes I put love here in the middle, or Mary, or Joe, or whatever. And let's just get going. Now, this is the most fun part of the whole thing. I've developed this little duo or trio of stamps. Oh, let me just try to get it closer. I don't know if it's going to work. Yeah, I think it is getting closer. I don't know. I don't want to take a lot of time. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I guess that's as close as it's going to get. Anyway, let's start stamping. So this is a flower from, there it is, from Tandy Leather. You can buy everything online. Let's go. One. Oh, and another thing, when you're stamping, move it around. Try to move it around. Let me see if I can get a better, so you can see more. Well, my big hand is covering it. I don't know if I can do it. So let's see, maybe this way. Put it down on the, get it nice and, like, before you start hammering, hold it. You got to hold it down with this hand, or it's going to slide. Okay. Move it around. It's going to start turning. And turning again. Now you don't have to, but I do. Flatten it out. Don't be afraid, the stamps are not going to disappear. Now, before I finish it, I'm going to finish it, but I mean, maybe in the next video, or I'm going to try, I promise, to combine the videos. I don't know about this focus. I'd like you to see. Oh God, it's just not focused enough. Anyway, that's one stamp, right? So I developed this pretty, comes out to be a very beautiful flower with this stamp. It's also from Tandy. and I go right in the middle of the flower. See what a beautiful, it makes like this little bud in the middle because it's rounded. I'll get the video thing down. So you just finish it up. If I was left-handed, oh, you know what? I think I might put, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the camera on the other side. Oh, dummy me, 63 years old, still learning. And it's fabulous to keep learning. It's also fabulous to teach. I have had college students come to me after graduating in Italy, come to my house in the mountains. I'll send you photos. I'm going to be doing an ebook and giving it away for free with all that good stuff about Italy. There you go. I think you might be up there. It is. Okay. Don't ever forget to put your Sterling stamp. Sterling. I'll be back. Bye-bye. Hi. I just got interrupted that's why I closed the last video. I'm going to try to combine all 3 videos together. So when you're finally done stamping everything, also I meant to tell you to put your silver stamp in. They want to know that it's sterling. That's a nice sterling stamp from Rio Grande. And you can put it anywhere you really feel like it. I guess right here would be good. And I'm not going to finish up the whole ring, but I am going to start another video to show you how to turn it. That's sort of, well, you know, it does take a few minutes, but this is what you're going to end up with. They're very cute rings. You know, a sterling ring for $10. Okie dokie. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. And please, if you could, subscribe. That would be nice. Then they'll start putting commercials on my videos, and that's how we get paid something to keep it up. Okay? Bye-bye.